Half impossible because these people they have surrounded us, saying anybody that comes from anywhere to come and rescue us or do anything by force, they're going to take our lives.
Yeah, hello guys, how you guys doing? Thanks for joining us again. We're back here again. We're going to talk about several things today. As you can see, that's one of them. We're going to talk about so many things today. I was just told that okay, you guys should come in, join us to watch this video. Leave your opinion in the comment section and subscribe to our channel, NAIJA Watch. We are here to talk about the situation that is currently going on in Nigeria. We're going to talk about Buhari, talk about the present situation in Nigeria. We're going to talk about Davido, about the pastors that said that Davido is going to be shot dead so soon, something like that. You know, the pastor said that everyone should pray for Davido. We're going to talk about the adopted students. You know, we're going to talk about so many things. So we're just going to start from somewhere. Right, my people. Yes, we are starting from these sisters and brothers who were kidnapped in in Nigeria, which you all know. There's this video circulating everywhere that of this adopted student of Federal College of Forestry and Mechanization. You know, they call it Forestry and Mechanization. I've not heard about that school before. I think it's in the north, I don't know, but yes, you know, they call it Federal College of Forest and Mechanization. You know, a lot of brothers and sisters were kidnapped there. So these bandit people, they can't do video, they can't show them, can't say, okay, make una begin to tell government, make government bring money and all that, you know. So before all that, I want you guys to see this video. Once you've seen the video, then we're going to take it from there, okay?
My name is Benson Emmanuel from Forestry Mechanization. We are pleading on the government to come and rescue us. Most of us here have been injured, badly injured. Time is going. Most of us here are having health issues, and they are complaining about the government trying to send security operatives to come and rescue us from here, which is almost and a half impossible because these people they have surrounded us, saying anybody that comes from anywhere to come and rescue us or do anything by force, they are going to take our lives. And they are pleading on the government to come. We are pleading on the government to come now that is early, because these people they have bad minds towards us. We are pleading on the government to come and help us, because without the government coming to our rescue this early and having any settled issue with them, there will be a serious problem with us. We are pleading on the government to come and help us. Thank you.
Wow. My people, when I see that video where our brother talk, he don't talk to the extent say if government not come rescue them, this bandit don't threaten them, say they go kill them. You understand? They say the bandits say they go take their life. In fact, if anybody try to come and rescue them, say they go take their lives. So they are not trying to tell the government now to rescue them on time or to comply with the bandits so that they can be released. You know, not be there end though. Now two videos now go viral for the past 48 hours. So, you know, we got another one we concern our sisters, all those one tie rapper, you know, and all that. They say now still students, that's what they're talking. Many comments where people still talk for social media concerning these people. We go put them for screen, make una see them. Make una see what people talk about these adopted brothers and sisters. So make una hear what the sisters constantly talk concerning this adoption. So I know say kidnapping now don't become a profitable business now for Nigeria at the moment. So make una hear this one.
Just give them the money. 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 Our parents need us the most. Life is all we want. Life is all we want. Life is all we want. Just give them the money. Our life is just give them the money. Our life unity want. No one is. Don't get the money. Don't pay the ransom and allow us to go. Don't pay the ransom and allow us to go. The government will not allow us to go. Our parents need us.
Wow, our parents need us. Regardless of whatever that's going on, if this is real, if it's staged, whatever it is, Nigeria is not safe. For now, with that last girl talk, he say our parents needs us. So the truth be say, a lot of people have been saying on social media, they're saying that this is staged, is not real. They are doing this one to extort money from the Nigerian government, as long as the Nigerian government have been, giving money to bandits for a while now. As you know, say, this one that they go on now for some time. So many people say, they say students, puppies, and all that. They say, oh, this one with Tara Paso, I've been there with the teachers, or all those ones. Cause not me they talk these things, so now waiting people they talk. I be that. They say, how come say they all tie rapper like this and all that? Waiting they happen. All those ones they're too old to be puppies or students, as they call them. So regardless of whatever, to me, we have to pray by God's grace never to be in this position, because we don't know what they happen for here. Even the previous video wife I play just now, remember when that our brothers they talk just now, make government can't rescue them. The only thing we surprised me for is that video be safe for inside there where that one of the bandits all gone. Talk and say these people have bad minds towards us. I don't know whether when you talk that one, no, whether the thing just enter in mind though, or you just decide say care about the gun where they put for your head though. May you talk and say these people have bad minds towards us, so come and rescue us on time. So for me, I believe say even though you want to talk to government, you're not supposed still throw any kind of words go give people way whole gun for your head. I don't know, I'm just saying. You guys can leave in the comment section what you think about these old videos of these adopted Nigerians. What do you think? But meanwhile, before that, let me bring the comments to your screen. You can see what people talk, what Nigerians talk about this matter. So the comment take go. We get our person here in Nigerian who said, students, honestly speaking, those people, they don't look like students. That one, our first comment, where it come from one of our commenters for there. Why the other one constitute say, kidnapping and asking government to pay up is now a lucrative business in Nigeria. So why after this one, the other one constitute say, he said these people are just kidnapping and getting as much help as they can before 2023. Like I keep saying, let's hope Buhari agrees to leave power, because now say I don't talk and say if this same our Buhari so now only God go know whether he go leave office, because I'm not saying a second term now they see reach for Nigeria. We don't know whether now this Buhari now the way the thing don't take sweet reach the amount, so whether him and the cabinet, the people, the cabas, whether they go like come on for office, may not come be like say he can introduce third term at last. We don't know. We're gonna leave them for our comment section. As we read the comment, they go. Now be this. Why the next comment can say, he said these people they don't look like students to me. Una say so no say if I talk and say they look old, they beat but the way the thing be, I don't know if it's staged or if the thing are real. So, but we still get another comment for now. Why this one constantly say, why do I have a feeling that these northerners are using this entire country to cash cruise and extorting the nation in the process? And waiting they talk with that too, not be me they talk and say I only the quote, I they read waiting they talk, the comment, the person we talk and in name they there. I'm not go change and say see what in Nigeria was constant talk. What the other comment constant say, how can you label terrorists and kidnappers as bandits? This is where it all makes sense. Okay, this is where it all makes sense. it is a political strategy for the next presidential candidate of APC. They will come and campaign in the name of security, this time not change to fight corruption again, but change to fight bandits. They use Boko Haram as a strategy and it escalated. Now know wetin that person talk for there say na true. Now remember I said the last campaign where they do na change, now they say they come for. This time, maybe if they want this 2023 way they round the corner, so na bandits, now they will say they want come fight. We want to eradicate Boko Haram, eradicate terrorists, we eradicate kidnappers. You don't know, say Nigerians, we are very, very gullible. We end up, we support them again, hoping they will actually do what they promise to do. You know, why the next comment, make we move on. The next comment say, oh my God, Nigeria by now should have been shut down by protest. Buhari must go. What's really going on with Nigeria? 200 million mumus. Every time is upside down. Say everything is upside down in that country. Now see, if you protest, they will kill you. That's just the fact. If you come and say you want protest, they will kill two. That two way that so will scare the rest people away. When they say for screen, he did there, I put everything there. I will read that by myself. Why the next commenter? I say, why are they tying wrappers and spark tops? Looks like staged. Okay, look at them properly. They don't look frightened. That's what you're talking about. You say they don't resemble people where they fear for any reason at all. This one does say, so sad to watch, but I thought the report says secondary school students or these are their teachers. Hey God. He said the report says secondary school student. Now so me Yeramo. I don't know the way you take Yeram, but now this person, this commenter now they talk say I beat these people where they talk for this video, so they plead make the correct rescue. I beat them the puppies teachers. You know, no. You say Nigeria, why? If it is peaceful protest now, they will deploy 45 armed. Yes. But now, kidnappers, they don't do them anything. Why the next one still there here? Second to the last, now we there. So we say, how can other humans be this wicked? Now see, so you talking, how can human beings be this wicked? We are moving on. Meanwhile, my people, now here, everything, all the comments when Nigerian people make, Nigerians' reactions over the situation in Nigeria right now. So meanwhile, one of the Nigerian leader, Channels TV interviewer, I want to make una hear what he talk for here. Credit to Channels TV. We just want quick play like 10 seconds about that, about the video. Make una hear what he talk for this video. Make a plan for that.
So with the recent happening, what will you say, what can you suggest as the best way forward towards finding lasting solutions to these problems?
Right now, our immediate priority is to get the kidnapped victims released. After that, I think we must have a long-lasting solution to the farmers' herdsmen conflict. Then I also understand some of these bandits are tired. They need to be looked after. They need to be we need to train them, to engage them. I think from what I have seen in the last few days, there is hope that once the
oh my God, what a country. By the way, how did we end up here? How did we end up here, my people? It is so sad, very, very painful to see that Nigerian leaders are taking us for a fool. No, how these people they see us? Why they see us finish like this? Why be say Nigerian government see us finish like this? Why? Now our fault? Or now the people who colonize us, now their fault? Or now Nigerian government fault? Why they see us finish? They just come on here to say whatever they want to say, and they don't care about the reaction of Nigerians. They say whatever they want to say. They don't care about the reactions of Nigerians because they know say we not do anything. Anyway, my people, we got to move on. The situation is just too much for us to handle. Even our brother, our comedian, Nollywood actor, Oke Bakassi, he also talk about this matter. He talk and say as they suffer the rich, comedians, nobody they give them free publicity and all that. He also talk to the extent that say true Nigerian citizens and all that, nobody they support them. Make una hear what he talk, make una hear about himself.
Nobody is talking about this set of Nigerian entertainers, Nigerian youths who have chosen not to do violence, who have chosen to instead create jobs for other people. Nobody's talking about how are they going to survive. No palliative, no kind of support. Now, how much does an AK-47 cost? If you Google it, maybe about 500,000 naira for an AK-47. So, let's say a comedian decides to take that 20 million and go searching for AK-47. At least he can afford 40 pieces of AK-47. Take some youths into one forest. Of course, abundance of forests all over Nigeria. Take 40 youths into the forest with AK-47 and begin to kidnap innocent people. Suddenly, the governor who is very busy can now shake your hands, snap picture with you, and defend why you should be settled by government because you have gone through a lot. Suddenly, government agencies will be rolling all over themselves over who to handle your ransom payment. Suddenly, the media will be giving you non-stop coverage. Suddenly, the pastors and their congregation will be praying for safety in the land. This is the country where we have found ourselves. God help Nigeria, but we must help ourselves.
God help Nigeria, but we must help ourselves. And so our brother talk Oke Bakassi, Nollywood actor, a comedian, he not touch lives positively for different areas since he start his own career. He not talk your own mind, that's why he talk and reach. You go talk your own mind, that's why you go talk and reach. As me they talk my own so, that's why I go talk and reach. The whole question we say government that they listen to us, they take us say what they talk makes sense. You don't talk and say God help Nigeria, but we got to help ourselves. How do we help ourselves? If our brother Oke Bakassi said we got to help ourselves, but how do we help ourselves? NSAS happened the other day. Every one of us were hoping that, okay, this is the end of bad leaders and all that. But at the end of the day, they use the AK-47 to scare us all back. So how do we help ourselves? Anyway, my people, we got to move on right now. Yes, we are going to talk about a mother who encouraged his own son to go draw a tattoo on his body, Bobrisky tattoos on his own body. The mother actually came out on a live video, on a recorded video, to acknowledge, to applaud, to seek for the attention of Bobrisky. Could this be poverty? A old mother encouraged his own son may go draw tattoo for body of Bobrisky, and the mama come out for video to say, Bobrisky, my son don't draw tattoo for body, he draw you for body, than your fans, he love, in fact, hear about yourself.
Hi, Bobrisky. Good morning, ma. Please, my son will come with you. Please help my son. My son draw you for their hand. Please, God will bless you, mama. Long life and prosperity. God will bless you. Bye.
Now don't hear him. So now we blame Nigerian government at all times. Nigerian government is bad. They don't want to help us. They don't want to do this. They don't want to do that. My question is, sometimes do we suppose or do we have to blame our own selves? Because for me, my own perception about this whole thing, I believe sometimes we need to blame our own selves. We encourage what is bad, right? While we discourage what is good. Now there I go talk and reach, not gonna leave on a comment in the comment section. What do you all think about this mother wey carry a pikin come and enter video? They call Bobrisky say, my pikin don draw you for a body o, make you help am o, make na your fan o. Some of you that is watching right now might also think that that's right. Whatever she did is right. I don't know. But leave your own opinion. You are entitled to it. We are not going to delete your comment. Just be free to express yourself. All right? So we need to move on, my people. We talked on before. Say this situation where everybody does so, he get as he be. You know, say this our sister, what they call Chioma. You know, Chioma now don't deal with her boyfriend for tele. Now the boy don't pay so many money for her, don't pay her strength for her, don't pay school fees for her, don't pay many things for her. To sote, this boy can engage Chioma, come to say, Chioma, be my wife. Chioma say, yes, I will be your wife. They've lived together for months, they've done everything together. The guy been working so hard to raise more money so that they can start life and start bearing children. So sudden, 1 billionaire you come out from one corner, 83 years old man came out from corner, take Chioma away from this man. As we dey talk, so now cry. Now all of us still they follow this our guy, still they cry. For waiting girlfriend do and so. Make una see the picture. Make una see the picture on our side because we not see the video, but make una see him. Wait, my question be say, waiting make Chioma dump a long time relationship. The man wey say in love with all her heart, dump am for 83 years old man. In case you are not here, 83 years old man. Where is this world going? Who do we trust? Sometimes we say we can't trust our neighbors. Sometimes we say we can't trust strangers. Sometimes we say we can't trust our friends. Now, what about your own partner, your girlfriend, your fiancé, your wife? Shouldn't we trust them as well? Wait till I put to this man, so I believe say this guy go still trust any girl at all. My God. Now wahala you fool everywhere, wahala, you know. This one another story again, you know. We're going to talk about this one concerning a Nigerian man in America that actually raped, you know, as a human's patient, you know. This is pathetic, you know. A Nigerian man who raped a 82 years old woman, a grandmother, you know, that's supposed to be on his own care. You know, he raped her twice. You know, the surprising part of all this is that it was the son that caught him. The son set a camera in the home and he was watching them from a webcam. So this is so pathetic. It's so serious. So I want you guys to see this. We'll move on to the next level as we get many situations to talk about today, my people. When I see this video, what I want to show to una, so this one another video again where one of our brother like that, where he's saying get money not be small, you know, he just do video, they intimidate shopping mall staff, you know. He said that shopping mall staff, that guy, he said the guy, he say he body the smell, you know. So because of that, make gonna watch this video, me not gonna be like say I can't talk and finish.
Boss, come back. Jesus. Boss, first of all, thank you for the drink, but as you come back and you wear mask, don't come on your mask. Hold on. As you carry that your armpit past me like this, you don't hurt my feelings.
Hey.
Come back. Make I tell you something. As a man, I'm telling you now, we all stink, but you have to wear deodorant. What's your name? Oh, don't say your name so that they don't remember you. Now, I go buy you 5 deodorants. You go collect the money for 5 deodorants for my bag. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. How much did they say? Go find out now. How much they say? 5. Come back, come collect money. God damn me, almost killed me. Nigga, what?
That's the bad side. That's the bad side.
Yeah. No, what do you mean that's not nice? Do they not know they have to wear deodorant? I go to the airport. Have you not seen me going to the airport with 100? No, they don't mind. Give him the money, let him go and buy deodorant. I'm teaching him. You are female. Does he know you? Are you going to see him again? I should tell him. I should not tell him. I'm not me. If the people I'm with are criticizing me that I'm not nice. First of all. Secondly, the people, those are my people. You people are not my people. I'm telling them the truth. As a man, see the way I told him now. See the way I told him now. Do you know he will never forget?
It's true though.
And because you are not on his level. He's never gonna date you except he starts pressing computer and he has money. He's not embarrassed. Trust me, he's my guy. The way I presented him, beautiful. Who told you you're beautiful? Stop it. You're already guessing yourself. Nah, listen. I know how to talk to them because I'm funny and I'm rude at the same time. Do you understand? And I tip them, so they're cool as long as they give me money. But he's never gonna forget. So every day.
My people, when I see waiting that our brother talk from start to the end. You know, sometimes you see some people that were fortunate to be rich, and the way they treat their fellow people, then you can even hear on the background where some girls were telling him that that's not right. You're not supposed to treat that guy like that. You know, even though you want to tell him to go buy some deodorant and stuff like that, not be bad like that. Not be so you're supposed to tell him. You're not even supposed to own your live video. You know, they intimidate him, they own the live video, hold on like this. They tell the guy, say, stay for my back. Go price how much, will be deodorant. I want pay, put, I want to do. That was so intimidating. It's so wrong. You know, in diaspora, you cannot treat human being like that. You could be sued for it. That's just the truth. It's just that say we live in a country where so many things are happening in Nigeria. Nobody, they arrest anybody. Nothing is happening. If you are rich, you bribe the police officers and all that. You get away with some kind of silly things that is happening. For me, I believe that guy is disgusting. That's just the fact. The guy is disgusting. You know, he should be ashamed of himself for treating a fellow human being as he is like that. That is absolutely wrong. It's not nice. So I want you guys to leave your comment in the comment section. You know, what do you think about this guy that think that he has so much money, he can intimidate anybody as he likes? Yes, we are going to talk about the pastor that said that Davido is going to be shot dead.
From this morning devotion, I want us to pray for Davido, the musician in Nigeria called Davido. We are praying against the spirit of death. I saw in the vision that Davido will be shot. They are going to shoot Davido at a gathering. It's either a nightclub or a park or an event that took place in the night. We are praying. I saw Davido shot. And he died. They rushed him to the hospital, but Davido died. We are praying against the spirit of death, and we declare Davido shall not die. Every attack on him is destroyed. That young man is a target of the enemy, and they want to kill him.
My people, una know say all these African pastors, because say many of them were too much. We not gonna know they want to trust again. Even though sometimes say some of them see the vision. Say it's so obvious to visualize that yeah, this thing is going to certainly happen. But sometimes we as a normal Nigerians or Africans, we still have some little doubt that, oh, this pastor, he should not be trained in the fine, so he should not be saying he want just blow, you know, make sure that we don't make it blow. But in the other way around, how do you know if the guy is saying the truth? You know, in saying he's here for dream, he's here for vision, you know, God reveal him to him, say Davido, say they go shoot him for club, say they go kill him. So that word is so expensive. If not true, say now God really can't talk to this this African pastor, the pastor is from Ghana, you know, if now God really can't talk to him, if you know they do him because say he want to use a trend, I pray God Almighty should protect our brother Davido. We don't want to make it die because he's one of the figures in Nigeria, in Africa, if not in the whole world, that is putting smile on everyone's face at this particular moment. You know, we pray no weapon form or fashion against our brother Davido that is going to prosper.
Who they breathe? Who they breathe?
Yes.
Baba, he choke.
Yes.
He choke.
He choke.
Yeah.
Now.
So, but in the other way around, like I said before, when I understand, say many pastors these days, they are doing everything just to trend. You know, they want their video to go viral. From there, people are going to search for their names. From there, people are going to ask, who is this pastor? Where is he from? What is he talking about? What does he do? You know, or if he can see this kind of a vision, that means he can also see things that is happening around my life. Trust me, this is one of the way they are attacking the gullible Nigerians and Africans at large. So for me, I'm not here to dispute what the pastor said. You know, the pastor said, let everyone pray for Davido. If you know you're a Davido fan, you don't need to be Davido's fan to pray for Davido not to die. That's just the fact. You know, Davido not supposed to be, you're not supposed to be the one where they support Davido before you pray me not die. Pray for anyone not to die. That's just the fact. This one, another story, the last one for today, we want to talk about. This one, another Nigerian man that wanted to kill himself, wanted to commit suicide. You know, but luckily he was rescued by one of the passerby. You know, according to what people said, they said one of the Keke Nape guy, you know, was able to climb up to rescue this guy, even when the police officers were there. You know, when I go see about ourselves, but according to the news we constantly reach us later on, we are not very certain about this news or if it's a classified news. You know, they say that a girlfriend in cash with the best friend. You know, they say he cash a girlfriend with the best friend for bedroom. Now you just say me you go die. My question be say, why would you want to kill yourself because of anybody? You shouldn't take your life because of anybody. In fact, make una watch this video, they could take out from them, my people. God. Listen, guys, regardless of any situation you are passing through, any situation you are passing through in life, any wahala, any problem within your life, I want you to know that the next person to you is also having some situation they are passing through as well. Anybody watching this video right now, they have a situation they're passing through. Me, myself, talking to you right now, I have a situation that I'm passing through. But it's not enough for anybody to take their lives. You cannot take your life because of anybody. Nothing on earth you should take your life for. Nothing on earth you should take your life for. If your girlfriend, you cash am say for hotel with your best friend, with your papa, with your neighbor, whatever, let her go. There are so many girls in the street. If your girlfriend or your wife, you cash out with her colleague, with her employer, whatever, let them go. Two things I don't want you guys to do. Two things. One, if you caught your girlfriend with a man or your wife with a man, one, don't beat her, don't fight her, don't let it resort to violence. Two, don't take your own life because of that woman. You get me? Make you not do one. Because if you kill yourself because of say one woman cheat on you, your wife cheat on you, your wife sleep with your landlord, or your wife sleep with her boss, you kill yourself, that your wife so go born for, go come born, get the opportunity to born for her boss, her landlord. That your girlfriend so, that man wey they secretly they did before, where you kill yourself because of her, him go you come sit down, date that man wella, because you did like a shadow or an hindrance before. You know, as you don't kill yourself, so she don't get the opportunity to do whatever she wanted to do. So don't ever take your life because of any woman. Allegedly though, that's what the information that reached us, because a lot of information going on allegedly that, yeah, the guy, this is what happened, he wanted to kill himself, he was looking for money, he was looking for this. But another information came out, you know, earlier yesterday that it was his girlfriend he caught with his best friend. But is that enough for you wanting to take your own life? So my people, this is the end of the show for today. Please leave your comment in the comment section. Let us know your own opinion, what you think about everything we talk about today. You know, we talk about a lot of things. We talk about the situation in Nigeria. We talk about the adopted Nigerians. We talk about the girl that dumped a long time boyfriend, our fiancé, if I may say, you know, for an 83 years old man. We talk about the man that wanted to commit suicide because his girlfriend allegedly, you know, slept with or wanted to sleep with his best friend. You know, we talk about the mother who was calling for the attention of Bobrisky because his own our own son drawn Bobrisky on his own body as a tattoo. You know, we talk about a lot of things on this video. Please, I want you to go through it, leave your own opinion, because your review, your opinion give us courage to do more video for you. This is what we are doing here. That's our duty, to make sure we bring breaking news to your own screen. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. We appreciate every one of you. Please don't forget to share our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, NAIJA Watch, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click the notification button. You know, the notification button is the only button that can notify you whenever we're on live or whenever we upload a video. You'll be notified immediately, rather than being told that, oh, NAIJA Watch don't upload video. Guys, we appreciate every one of you. Take care, and we'll be coming back.